Hi students, the last sum and the 10th sum in the exercise. Write down the Boolean equation for the output Y of the given circuit and give its a truth table. Now you can see the circuit consists of 3 logic gates. So this gate having 2 inputs A and B, this is an AND gate. And means what? Logical multiplication of the inputs. So A and B are the inputs. The output of this AND gate will be A multiplied by B. So AB is the output of the AND gate. Now this second one is an OR gate and there is a bubble here. So it is a NOT gate. So combination of OR and NOT. So this is a NOR gate. So this is a NOR. Complement of the OR gate. So in the OR gate, if 2 inputs A and B are given, means what is the output of the OR gate? Normally it will be A plus B. Is it not? But since it is a NOR gate, the output will be complement of A plus B. Okay children? So the output of the AND gate is AB and the output of the NOR gate is A plus B complement. These two now are given as the input for the third gate, which is an OR gate. So this is a OR. ORing means what? Arithmetic addition, arithmetic sum. Is it not? So the final output Y must be equal to the sum of the 2 inputs. One input is AB plus the other input is complement of A plus B. So this is the required Boolean expression for the output of the given circuit. Have you understood? Now we also must verify this in the truth table. I am going to form a truth table, and as I have instructed many times, always the 2 given inputs must be in ascending order. So A and B must start from 0, 0. Next one is 0 and 1. Next is 1 and 0. The final combination is 1 and 1. Now we require A plus B and complement of A plus B. Is it not? A plus B means what? It is the output of which gate? Yes, the OR gate, summing. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 1 also is 1. Then the complement of 0, complement of 0 is 1, complement of 1 is 0, 0 and 0. This step, I well understood, it's easy. Okay, what next? Product of A and B, that is what? And means what? Multiplication, is it not? So 0 into 0 is what? 0. 0 into 1 also is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. Okay children? Now what next? What is the final output we have written? It is the summing up of AB and complement of A plus B. Okay, so we are going to substitute here. So AB plus complement of A plus B. We are going to add these two. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. Again 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. So that is the required truth table. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.